to be first to copy. So today we are gonna uh, enable Apple Intelligence, and how to do it we're gonna see in this video. First, go to your settings. As you know, we are system settings. As you can see here, this is Apple Intelligence and Siri. Click here. As you can see here, you see this radio button. Click. Now it's saying that okay, it's already downloaded, so it will take some time. So after it complete, you can use Apple Intelligence on your MacBook. Right now it's 100%. It will take a couple of more minutes for that. As you can see, when you have Apple Intelligence, you can use it in many other places. For example, if you go to if you want to write articles or something, you can easily do that. Like if I can just choose like this, we will see options of writing tools like this. We can write like that. As you can see, right now it's not working. The reason is that Intelligence is not installed. It will take some time. After it will done, we can able to use all the tools as we can see here. As you can see here, writing tools, we can make like that. We can also do a lot of things with a tool once that it is installed. So we have to wait for a couple of minutes and that will done. Have restarted our laptop. Now we are gonna try it again. As you can see, this is the page. Okay, now we're gonna select all the text here, and you can see here we see an icon, means that Apple Intelligence are working right now. If you go to the writing tools, as you can see, to make it friendly, as you can see, it's making it. As you can see, this writing tools are working of Apple, and you can do it a lot of things with that. As you can see that it made like a friendly, it's written everything. Okay, here if you click there, you see, you directly see here like that. You can just choose anything, rewrite, proofwrite, professional, concise, summarize, and a lot of it. Like here composers, you can also set up ChatGPT to use that. So you can use these tools for a lot of things, and you can just check it out and figure out what tools we can use it. For example, after setting up, we got image playground. You can also use this tool to make images, and there are some limitations, but you can able to get good images from here. So you can do that. So thank you for watching this video.